July, just walking on the road and thinking that it is so funny sometimes, you know, how life can take you to a place that you probably didn't even think of, and how God just orchestrate things in your life and make things happen. Um, I never thought that I could have written a book, much more to write it in within 6 weeks, and it was done. It will be launched on the 8th of July 2018 at Spanish Town High School, 5 p.m. Good morning. And that is like a second phase of the launch where the students of the school will be targeted and persons who live in the Spanish Town community. I just want somebody to know that, guess what? It doesn't matter who you are, where you're from, what you've done, as long yeah, we have a song like that. But once you put your head to something and you work hard at it, perseverance, hard work, determination, trust me, just need to start. Because when I started, I didn't know that had so many resources, even human resource available to me, and so many persons came through on my behalf, and God just did his thing. The book is called One Big Irie Family, and it just shows that we are one big Irie family, whether we are blood related or not, you know. It's on Amazon, but I would really love the support of persons for the launch. Just come and hear my story. There will be entertainment, there will be a little bit of Jamaican food, and let's see what's going on, my big family.